Today I am making boiled corn cobs. Corn is a nutrient dense food that contains many surprising health benefits. That's because corn contains many essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Corns are an excellent source of vitamin B6, thiamine, and folate, which are important for energy metabolism and red blood cell production. It is a healthy and delicious part of a well rounded diet. Take corns, put them in boiling water, let them have a nice dip. Once they are soft and tender, they are ready to flip. Prepare a tadka in a wok. Put ginger garlic paste, green chilies, chili flakes, oregano, and toss the boiled corns in it. Garnish them with lemon, coriander, and cheese. So quick and simple. Are you ready to eat?